guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix YouTube dark theme not working. Let's get started. First, launch your YouTube app. You can enable dark mode in YouTube app itself. So navigate to You page. Click on the gear icon. Head over to the option General. Now at the very top, you're gonna find the option of Appearance. Click on that. Check in for the option Dark Theme. If it's set to light or system default, switch it to dark theme manually. If it's already enabled but still not working, check in for the option light theme and again check in for the option dark theme. This might fix the issue. Next up, if the issue still continues, you can check your device settings. Go to settings. Now click on display and brightness. Check in for the option dark theme. Likewise, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for YouTube. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version, as outdated version can often cause theme issues. If still you are having the issue, completely delete the YouTube app, then reinstall it. Likewise, give a fresh restart to your device. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.